Well, this is the creme de la creme. This is the masterpiece. I would say one of the best mansions I have ever seen in Jumeirah Islands to date. And I've been here 13 years and seen a lot of properties in Jumeirah Islands. So we just saw another villa that has been completely renovated. This one is even better, bigger and larger. So check out exactly what you get here in a 5-bedroom, refurbished, rebuilt, millionaire's mega mansion. This is absolutely stunning. So we walk in the front door. Remember, these properties, as per my last video, are all fully automated, and as we walk in you can see just the area is so light everywhere. So you've got, as you walk in, you've got that family room. We'll come back to that, but I know what you want to see is, of course, this fabulous garden and swimming pool view. So let's just give you the full view. Look at that. I mean, I feel like I'm in the tropics here, and this is Dubai. So you've got a fabulous entertainment area, huge family living, dining. You've got 2 kitchens. So this is what we call the fancy sort of show kitchen. We've also got the main kitchen behind, but let's take you first in here. So this is the family office. This could be the study. You could have it as a TV room because these doors will actually close, by the way. And you've got your main living area. That's where we walked in through the front door. And then here you have it. There's the dining area. And looking back through the house, just huge, very, very vast. And this beautiful show kitchen. You know, you've got all the shelving, wine cooler, and all the very latest cutting edge. And let me just show you. You can see actually the garden and the swimming pool from the video anyway. So, okay, let's walk around the downstairs of the villa in its entirety, and then we'll go upstairs. So this is a 5-bedroom villa, 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs. So this is the second kitchen. This is what we call in Dubai like the dirty kitchen. This is, you know, the main cooking kitchen where all the very pungent smells take place, so that it doesn't smell out your living area. Especially, you know, if you've got a dinner party or entertainment, then you can have people in here preparing the food for you and not getting in the way of the party. And you can come out through the side doors. This is back to near the front door, which was the family living area, and you can see through there out to the front drive. You've got a very, very large area to park. You've got at least parking for 6 cars outside and a double garage. And down here simply is a storage, and you've got in here the garage. Okay, let's carry on up. I've actually forgotten there's another part to this, because what I love about this is you have more secret doors. Oh, well, it's not there. That is the fridge. Here we go. The secret door became the fridge. So here's your laundry area. So everything is included. Everything you see in this video is included. This is the nanny's, maids, cleaner's room, and ensuite bathroom here, okay? And they obviously can come through the house on a side door, so they don't have to come through the main house. So these were the cupboards I opened. That's actually the secret door. I love it. Okay, let's go back through the house. And that was the front door. And now let's walk to this side of the house. And downstairs here, you've got the downstairs powder room and toilet. And 1 bedroom downstairs here. And that's the front garden, which is absolutely beautiful. So it's all been fully landscaped. Remember, you are buying this villa as you see it, with all the furnishings and fittings and furniture. Okay, so let's head upstairs to the other 4 bedrooms. I'm just going to pan back through the living area as we go up the stairs. You can see the size of this house is immense. And if you look at the description below of this video, you will actually be able to see all the details, the price, the size, etc. So we've got 1 bedroom upstairs here. Here we have it. And the view is out to this beautiful swimming pool and garden area, and a sunken lounge for the evening. Okay, bedroom 2 is at the front of the house. Okay, so it gives you a good idea. So here you are, you can see your drive now, so great idea there for size. Skyline of Dubai Marina, and the walk-in wardrobes here, and your bathroom. Okay, now let's come through. As we walk through the house, you've got this lovely open deck area upstairs, which some of you may be looking, thinking, well, I could close that in and make that into a 5th bedroom upstairs, or a home gym or what have you. And also, this is open plan at the moment, but again, some of you might think you want to close that, and you could perhaps put that into another sort of room or TV room or box room or what have you, or gym for your Peloton, whatever. Here is bedroom 4 upstairs with its bathroom, its cupboards. We just look out here. Okay, and then I really have left the best till last, because the master bedroom is something to be seen. Wait till you see the bathroom. So this is the master. So absolutely beautiful. Look at that view. So there we have it. Okay, and now I'm going to take you into the bathroom, which I absolutely love. So check out this bath, standalone tub. Look at your bathroom, it's enormous. So you've got this walk-in shower that you can walk in either side. Double sink, hi! And the toilet. And then this fabulous walk-around dressing area. So all fully fitted cupboards. Again, you've got all the latest accessories, storage areas in these drawers throughout. And this has its own terrace looking back over at Dubai Marina and the DMCC. So I think you'll agree this is a pretty fabulous property. If you are wanting more details on how you can avail of this property, come and see it. If you don't live here and you're interested, we have only got a couple of these properties left, and then there's going to be some more built that will probably be at least 10 to 20% more in price. These are finished villas, so you can buy with cash, or you can buy with crypto, or you can buy on a mortgage. If you are a resident here, residents living here can get a mortgage of up to 80%. If you're a non-resident, then you can get a mortgage up to 60%. However, if you are a non-resident self-employed, that does become a little bit more tricky, but we can still help you. So my details are below in the description here, and I would love to help you find your dream home. And you don't even have to get on a plane. If this is what you want, we can do all of the documentation without you even traveling here. So get in touch and let me help you acquire this as your next home. Thank you so much. Take care.